Reasons why your Temu post get rejected. This is gonna help you. 1. Your post does not have code. If you are a Temu user, make sure you always add code to your post. It's very important because every post you make it is different. So, if you don't add code, your post won't be approved. 2. You deleted your post. Do not delete your post. You have to leave your post live for 30 days. 3. The format and platform of your post do not meet the requirements. Every platform has its own format, so make sure you always post on the right platform. For instance, Pinterest is not an approved platform to post paid Temu videos. 4. The video duration does not meet the requirements. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it. Thank you for watching.